So last year, a couple of friends of ours invited us to the Dolomites in northern Italy. We'd never been there before and we didn't know what to expect. I'll tell you one thing, little did me and Emily realise it was going to be one of the most magical places we've ever been in the world. This is what happened.
Let's get this show on the road. Get a pair of them, Jimmy. They've got everything in the shop. They've even got their own rock climbing practice wall. Number 10.
Oh, no filming? No filming? Okay.
I'm going to try and fit all 5 of us on the boat. Put your feet like right in.
I'm Jimmy Keller and this is the front flip.
I'm off the heart. My heart's pumping. A little fucking hardy in the back here.